Hello, welcome to BoloForms. Today I will drive you towards a new feature where you can upload files directly inside the signature editor, which instantly joins your document. Let's see how it works. Firstly, we have to click on PDF creation option. Then we have to upload a sample file from our system and have to fill all the required details. I have uploaded a sample file and have filled the required details. Now I will click on confirm. My file has been uploaded. I will make the necessary adjustment in accordance with this document. I have added all the required blocks to this particular document. Now, to add a new file to this particular document, we just have to click on document and add new file. As you can see, a dialog box is appearing on my screen. You can upload a sample file from your system and you can also upload a file from Google Drive too. Now I will click here and upload a sample file from my system. I will click on confirm. My second file has been attached to this particular document. Now I will add all the required fields to this particular document too. I have attached all the required fields to this particular document too. Now you are thinking, why is this important? Imagine you are finalizing a contract and you need to attach supporting documents like terms and condition, personal identification, or confidential schedules. Typically, this would mean having to manage multiple files separately or even leave the editor to attach files, which can be time consuming and frankly a bit frustrating. With the ability to upload files directly in the signature editor, you reduce the steps needed to compile and send complement documents. Everything you need to finalize a document is in one place. Fewer step means fewer chances of making mistakes like forgetting to attach a document. Now I will click on send while link, and my complete document has been sent to the required recipient. Thank you.